Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm incredibly excited to share with you some truly amazing gadgets that are pushing technology to new limits. From next-level gaming gear and smart wearables to pro photography tools and ultra-portable power banks, this lineup is all about innovation, performance, and design. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Radiomaster Boxer Crush. The Radiomaster Boxer Crush is a professional-grade radio controller built for serious RC enthusiasts. Available in 7 stunning colors like iron gray, hot pink, and iceberg blue, this transmitter combines style and precision like never before. It features CNC aluminum AG01 Hall-effect gimbals for ultra-smooth, accurate control, perfect for drones, FPV, and other remote applications. With the built-in Express LRS system capable of 1000 Hz refresh rate, you get lightning-fast response with zero lag. Powered by the STM32F407 VGT6 processor, this controller is pre-installed with Edge TX firmware, offering cutting-edge software performance right out of the box. The ergonomic design, oversized battery compartment, and built-in cooling fan ensure comfort and long-lasting use up to 20 hours of operation. From its advanced RF output to the high-quality carry case and gimbal protector, the Radiomaster Boxer Crush isn't just a controller. It's the ultimate command center for any RC pilot. Number 5. Fotorgear Retro Case. The Fotorgear Retro Case is a perfect blend of photography nostalgia and modern smartphone innovation. Specifically designed for iPhone 15 and 16 Pro Max, it turns your phone into a professional photography tool. With its sleek PVC build, this case is both anti-fingerprint and dust-proof, offering premium protection while maintaining a clean look. The standout feature is its T-mount system, allowing you to attach professional lenses and accessories with ease. Whether you're shooting street photography, cinematic reels, or detailed portraits, this case gives your iPhone a DSLR-like experience in a compact form. Lightweight, durable, and practical, the Fotorgear Retro Case is a dream come true for mobile photographers. Number 4. Garmin Instinct 3 Solar. The Garmin Instinct 3 Solar is your ultimate outdoor companion. This smartwatch is built for athletes, adventurers, and anyone who thrives outdoors. Equipped with heart rate, sleep, stress, and blood oxygen monitoring, it provides full health insights on the go. With a rugged build, 18-day battery life, and solar-powered charging, it's designed to keep up with your toughest adventures. It features a 1.2-inch AMOLED display and professional-grade waterproofing, making it ready for swimming, hiking, and any outdoor challenge. Built-in GPS, multiple sport modes, and deep integration with the Garmin Connect app make tracking and training effortless. Available in multiple languages and compatible with Android and iOS, the Garmin Instinct 3 Solar proves that durability and smart features can coexist beautifully. Number 3. GameSir G7 Pro. Gamers, get ready for the GameSir G7 Pro, the ultimate wired gaming controller for Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, PC, Steam, and even Android. It's designed for precision, comfort, and total control. The Hall-effect triggers deliver smooth, accurate feedback, while the 6-axis gyroscope enhances motion control for ultra-precise aiming. Featuring MagRes TMR sticks, you get zero drift and high accuracy, even during intense gameplay. The G7 Pro also includes tri-mode connectivity, 2.4G, wired, and Bluetooth, giving you seamless control across all platforms. It's not just about performance, though. The ergonomic design and quick access layout make it perfect for long gaming sessions. Whether you're into racing, shooters, or adventure games, the GameSir G7 Pro ensures every move feels just right. Number 2. Baseus 65-watt Power Bank. The Baseus 65-watt Power Bank is a powerhouse built for modern life. With a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, it can charge both your laptop and phone at the same time, thanks to its 45-watt plus 20-watt dual output support. What makes it truly stand out is the built-in 70cm retractable Type-C cable. No more messy wires or forgetting your charger at home. Its digital display clearly shows current and charge levels, keeping you fully informed. It even supports low current mode for smaller devices like headphones or smartwatches, ensuring safe and efficient charging every time. Compact, yet incredibly powerful, the Baseus 65-watt power bank is your ideal travel companion for work, play, and everything in between. Number 1. NITECORE SLB03 Bag. Finally, we have the NITECORE SLB03 Bag, a tactical yet stylish commuter sling designed for ultimate versatility. Crafted from durable 500D nylon with a dirt and water-resistant coating, it's ready for everything from daily commutes to outdoor treks. With a 1.6-liter capacity, it offers just enough room for essentials while keeping you light and mobile. Premium YKK zippers and UTX buckles ensure long-lasting durability, while the breathable back design provides maximum comfort. The quick-release shoulder strap allows you to switch carry modes effortlessly, adapting to any situation. Whether you're traveling, cycling, or just heading to work, the NITECORE SLB03 Bag is the perfect mix of utility, durability, and modern style. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.